Yes, now we are coming on one more formula which is left. We should finish out that. What that formula says that now you have to find out number of elements which belongs to exactly one of the set. It belongs to exactly one of the set. That means this shaded portion, this one, and this one. So to get this, what we do first? First, I take the complete Na, NB, and C. Now, when you take Na, NB, and C, when we are taking Na, NB, and C means I have taken this total. Now check this portion. This portion, if you take, it will be A intersection B. How many times it came? It came in A also, it came in B also. So we should subtract it minus 2 times NA intersection B. Same way this portion is B intersection C, it will come in B and C also twice. So 2NB intersection C. This also you got in A and C. So it will come out to be minus 2 times NA intersection C. Now the problem comes here. This is how many times subtracted? Here in this case, 2 times we have subtracted because it was counted 2. It is subtracted twice because counted 2. It is subtracted twice because counted 2. It is how many times subtracted? It came twice here, twice here, twice here. So it came 6 times. It came 6 times. 6 times it is actually subtracted. Right or no? But how many times it should subtract? They should subtract only 3 times. One here, one here, one here. So in this case, plus. I should say first, it is subtracted 6 times. Here in this case, 2 and A intersection B, if you are subtracting means this portion is subtracted twice, then twice, and then twice. So how many times it was subtracted? It was subtracted 6 times. But how many times it should be subtracted? It should be subtracted only thrice. So we will say it will be plus thrice of NA intersection B intersection C. So I'll repeat it. This is complete A, this is complete B, this is complete C. First I have taken all three. This portion, if you take, now if I take this complete portion, that is this. How many times it came? It came in A, it came in B. How many times it was included? It was included 2 times. And we don't want this any one of the time. I don't want this at all. But actually you have counted this twice. One in this and one in this. So twice of N intersection B we have subtracted. This portion again came twice and we don't want this. So we have subtracted this. Same way A intersection C, that is also subtracted here. Is this clear? Now the problem comes, this portion is added how many times? Added 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So as it is added 3 times, so it should be subtracted 3 times. But how many times you have subtracted this? You have subtracted this 2 times from this because you have subtracted this portion twice here, this portion twice, this portion twice. So how many times you have subtracted? 6 times you have subtracted. But it should be subtracted only 3 times because actually it was added 3 times. 1 time, 2 time, and 3 times. So what you should do here in this case, you have subtracted is 3 times. So we should add plus 3 and intersection because 6 times we should not subtract. We should only subtract 3 times. So 6 times minus, so plus 3 times and intersection B intersection. So this is the formula we have for exactly one set. If you have or exactly one set element belong, that will be calculated by this. Now we are coming on questions one by one. First I am taking question on 2 by 2, then we'll go on question 3 by 3. Question. First question says you have nx is 23, ny is 17, nx union y is 38. We want nx in intersection y. So as the two sets are there, we will go by the formula n x union y should be equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. When you go for nx, it will be 23 plus of 17 and x union y, that is given 38, and this is to be calculated x intersection y. Now this is 38 and this, when you solve 38 minus, this will come out to be 40 is minus nx intersection y. Then it is minus 2 will be nx intersection y. Minus is there, minus and minus cancel out. Your answer is nx intersection y is coming 2. So the common portion will be simply 2. Now coming on next question. Now this is the question number 2 we are taking, in which Na is 17, Nb is 23, Na union B is 38. My question is, find Na intersection B, Na minus B and B minus A. Number of element exactly belong to one set, right? So first is the formula you have already done. Na union B is Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. A union B already given 38, Na is 17, 23 minus Na intersection B you want. So I'll take this term here, Na intersection B is 27 plus 17, that will come out to be 40 minus 38, your answer is coming to. Now coming on Na minus B, if you remember the formula already I told you, A minus B, this is A and this is B, so A minus B means this portion I want. So when you want Na minus B, I told the formula Na minus Na intersection B. What is Na this time? 17. A intersection B already calculated, so it will be 2. So it is coming 50. Same way, and B intersection B minus A, if you want, it will be this time B minus A portion here. That will come NB minus NA intersection B. NB will be what in this case? NB is 23 and this is 2, so it come out to be 21. Now they are asking exactly number of elements belong to exact one set. So when they ask exact one set, that means this portion and this portion. So we will say number of elements belong to exact one set will be what? Na minus B plus Nb minus A, and this already we have calculated in question. So what that is? 15 plus 21. Then this will come out to be 36. So 36 are there which will be only belong to one set. It is either they are belonging to A or it is belonging to B. Completely in A or it is in B, not in this portion. That will be here. So this is the problem number 2 we have. Now we'll come on problem 3. So this is the question number 3 we have. It says Na is 35, Na intersection B is 11, and A intersection B whole complement is 17, universal is 57. Find out what is NB and A minus B and B minus A. So these are the things we should calculate. So first thing, we should solve this. What this says, NA intersection B whole complement. And if NA intersection B whole complement means it should be universal minus NA intersection B. You have done this. If this is A and we are considering A complement, what is A complement? We should have universal minus the set A. So universal total minus A intersection B, if I take, that will be an A intersection B complement. So when you do this, this value is already given 17, universal is given 57, then NA intersection B. This is A intersection B dash is given, or it's union given. Just we'll check. Sorry, this is wrong we are doing. This is union given. So if it is union, then this will be union, nothing wrong. And this is also. So here it comes out to be union. So N A union B whole complement means what? Universal minus this set. Here we have taken. This is already given 17. This is 57 and A union B is here. So I'll take this term here. So it will be N A union B will be 57 minus 17. And will it be 40? Yes. So I got it. N A union B is coming 40. So universal will be used here. Complement is there, so that's why we should subtract from the universal. And now NA union B is known. NA intersection B is also given, so I want NB. So you can calculate that also. NA union B is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. A union B is already 40. NA is given as 35. NB has to be calculated and NA intersection B is also given 11. So here in this case when you want NB, this is 40 minus 35 plus 11 is your NB. This come out to be 40 plus 51. 51 minus 35 is coming NB. How much it is? 15 plus 1, 16. So NB comes out to be 16. That value is low. Now coming on next portion, NA minus B, that is very simple one. Now you can calculate it easily. NA minus B, I told this is NA minus NA intersection B. We have done this formula. What is NA? NA in this case is 35 minus the intersection 11. So how much it will come out to be? 4 and 24. Same way they ask NB minus A, you calculate. What this will come out to be? NB minus NA intersection B. NB is clearly 16 minus 11, that come out to be 5. So this way you will be having this question also. On the next video, I'll be taking more questions on it. Okay, thank you.